welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to review the 4 shades of the KKW Nude lipsticks that I got recently, and right now I'm wearing shades 4, 2, and 1 as a mix on my lips. And so if you're interested in seeing my thoughts on these lipsticks, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch them on my wrist before I put them on my lips. So here is shade 1, and that is really pretty. It's like a nice pinky peachy orange undertone. Not so much orange, more peachy. So that was shade 1. And here is shade 2. Ooh, I really like shade 2. Now shade 2 is the orangey, brown, earthy undertone. So 1 up top, 2 on the bottom. Shade 3. This looks really nice, really brown. And there's 3 right there. Much deeper than the first 2. I think that is really a pretty color. And shade 4. I have to bring this out even more. Ooh, okay, so this one is like deep mauve. So 4 is here, and it's brown but has like a purplish mauvish tone to it. So those are the 4 lip shades that I got. I'm not sure how they're gonna look. I'm not sure about how I feel about 1. Swatching it, it's really pink. I am more of a fan of the darker tones, but we'll see. We'll see what they look like. So I'm just gonna put it on over my MAC strip down. And I didn't get any of the liners just because I have enough nude liners as it is. This almost looks like a concealer. It's really creamy. Over the top, it looks really nice. Over the top of strip down. This is really nude. I really like it though. It actually turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. And I'm just gonna blend in the edges. And yes, I love the way it looks. And I think it's oxidizing. Maybe. It's kind of hard to tell, but wow. And it looks so good on camera. I really like this. I really like it over strip down. I'm not sure, I guess I should probably do a test with nothing on and then this. Okay, I figured I'd do it again with no liner under the bottom. Okay, so this is shade 1. Shade 1 with no liner, nothing underneath it. It is extremely light. I think it's a little too light for my skin tone. I probably wouldn't wear this with nothing underneath it. I definitely like the strip down liner as a base before this one. So that's shade 1. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with shade 2. I love shade 2. This is gorgeous. This is very comparable to the Kylie Cosmetics KKW liquid cream, or cream liquid lipsticks. And this is with nothing, no liner, no base, nothing. Okay, now we're moving on to shade 3. Okay, so 3 is almost the exact color of my lips anyways. So I'm not like extremely impressed with shade 3, but it definitely makes my lips come forward and look a little bit more full. And, you know, just nice to finish off a natural look. Very nude, very skin toned. So we'll move on to the last shade, 4. Okay, and here is my last shade 4, and it is the darkest one that I have. This is shade 4, and I really like this one. I really think that the nude lipsticks that I've tried to get a really brown undertone, not a mauve undertone, has missed the mark. So this one is really nice. I think it really brings out a brown shade. It pulls more brown than it would pinky mauve-ish. So I really like this shade. I think this one hit my expectations when I think of a brown undertone nude. So I like this one. I think I would have to say my favorite of the 4 shades are definitely 4 and 2. These are probably the ones I would use the most. I will be using the most in the future. 1 and 3, I'm not sure how often I'll be using these ones. I mean, I'm really happy that I have them, and I'm sure for certain looks these will be perfect, but for my typical looks, I wouldn't gravitate towards 1 and 3 that much. So yeah, 2 and 4 are my favorite. As far as the formula, they go on really creamy, not transfer proof at all. They are like 100% transferable, and yeah, like the pigment completely pulls from the lips. So I would have to do a wear test for a few hours to see. I don't expect it to stay on if I were to eat or drink anything, but that's why you bring them. That's why you have your purses. That's why you bring your makeup with you, because ain't shit lasting. So I really do like these. I'm really happy with the pigment. They definitely met my expectations as far as what I was thinking from the Instagram photos, the YouTube videos that I've seen. And I think they're really nice. And I'm actually wearing the KKWxMARIO eyeshadow palette on my eyes. So I'm just like, KKW out. These cost me, just these 4 cost me about $80. So that's really expensive. But overall, I definitely recommend them.